Hello, students, and welcome back to Diksha's Learning World. I hope you all are safe and secure at your places. I am Diksha Kesarwani, your English teacher, and today we will discuss something more about articles. In the previous video, we have already discussed the uses of indefinite article, that is a and an, and we have also discussed some of the exceptions which are really very important to understand. Okay, so if you haven't watched that video, then please go and see part 1 of articles, and in this video we will see the uses of definite article, that is the. So without further wasting any time, let's begin. Okay, so as we have seen the uses of indefinite articles a and an, in the same manner we will see the use of indefinite article, that is the. Okay, so let us read these examples. That is, this is a boy, this is a girl. Okay, so both the boy and the girl are under a tree. The tree is thick and tall. So here in these sentences, the word the is used before a particular person or thing or one already referred to. For example, if I am saying this is a boy, this is a girl, so we are talking about any boy or any girl. We are not talking about any particular boy or particular girl. But if I am saying this sentence, that is, both the boy and the girl are under a tree, the tree is thick and tall. So over here we are talking about specific boy and specific girl. We are talking about a particular boy and particular girl. So that what the definition of definite article is. The is a definite article because it points out some definite or particular person or thing. Okay, so let's see rule 1. Rule 1 says that we use the when it is clear from the situation which person or thing we are talking about. That means we are sure of this particular person or thing. For example, I don't have the book you are asking for. So obviously we are talking about any particular book. We are talking about particular book. So over here what we have to use? We have to use the article the and not a or an. I don't have the book you are asking for. Maybe he or she might be asking for physics book, chemistry book or maths book, right? So over here obviously we know it is clear from the situation that we are talking about a specific, or you can say a particular person or thing, and that is why we have to use the article the. Okay, now let's see another rule. Rule 2. Now rule 2 says that when a singular noun or an adjective of quality is meant to represent a whole class, so over there also we have to use what? We have to use the article the. For example, the rich are happy. So over here rich is what? Over here rich is adjective, right? And it is representing a whole class of people, right? The cow is a useful animal. Again, the cow representing the whole class of animal. So over here we have to use what? The. That is definite article. Okay, now let's see rule 3. What rule 3 says? Rule 3 says that we have to use the definite article the before the name of first, that is rivers, like the Ganga, the Yamuna. Second is oceans, the Arabian Sea, the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, next one is mountain ranges, the Himalayas. Okay, so we are talking about range of mountain, that is Himalayas. So therefore we have to use what? We have to use the Himalayas. Okay, gulfs, for example the Persian Gulf. Deserts, the Sahara Desert, the Kalahari Desert. Islands, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. We are talking about a specific, right, place. Holy books, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita. Trains, the Prayagraj Express, the Rajdhani Express. Okay, next is ships, for example the Titanic. Newspapers, the Hindu, the Times of India. Well known buildings, the Qutub Minar. Directions, the north, the south, the east, the west. Okay, whole families, the like the Qurans. People holding positions like the president, the manager. Important events like the American Revolt, the First World War. Unique objects, group of things like the planets, the cosmos. Musical instruments like the tabla, the flute, the drum, something like that. Okay, so I hope you have understood that where we have to use the before the name of rivers, oceans, mountain ranges. What you have to understand over here? Mountain ranges. Okay, ranges. I'm specifying on the word ranges. Okay, gulfs, deserts, islands, holy books, trains, ships, newspapers, well known buildings, directions, whole families, people holding positions, important events, unique objects, groups of objects, and musical instruments. Okay, now let's see rule 4. What rule 4 says? Rule 4 says that we have to use the article before superlatives and ordinals. Now, what is superlative? Superlative degree you might have studied in adjective, like we have now degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative degree. Superlative degree is the highest degree, right? So over there we have to use what? We have to use the definite article, that is the. Next one is ordinals. Now what is ordinals? What are ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers are those numbers which cannot be counted but can be put into ranks. For example, like first, second, third, fourth, fifth. This first, FIRST, not this one. Okay, first, second, in the same manner, second, third, fourth. So these are what? Ordinal numbers. These can be put into ranks. Okay, for example, he is the oldest man in our neighborhood. So over here, the oldest with superlative degree we are using the. Okay, next one is Orissa was the first city I have ever visited. First means we are arranging it into, we are giving it rank: first, second, third. So Orissa was the first city I have ever visited. Hyderabad can be the second one. Okay, so I have used what? The over there. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. Let's see another rule. Rule 5. Rule 5 says the is used when the following words, with the following words. For example, whenever you will see such words like first, last, next, only, same, following, previous, left, right. So over here also we have to use which article? We have to use definite article, that is the. For example, it is the first house in the left. So the first, obviously ordinal number was used, that is why we have used the. Left is used, so we are using what? The. We are talking about a particular, you can say this place, particular person, or particular object or idea. Go and sit on the last bench. Again, last is used over here, so therefore we are using the article the. Next one is he is the only son. He is the only son. So over here you might have heard that I have pronounced the as the and not as the. So what is the difference between this the and the? This is really very important. Whenever before any of the word which is starting with a vowel, for example A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so over there we have to use what? We have to use the. We have to pronounce the word the as the. Okay, and whenever we see any consonant word like car, bat, so we have to pronounce it as the. Okay, so over here only was written, only, oh, a sound is there, right? This is what? This is vowel, so I am pronouncing it as the. Okay, so this is the common mistake which we generally make. So you have to remember this, that whenever any word which is starting with a vowel, so we have to pronounce it as the, and if any word is starting with the letter consonant, so we have to pronounce it as the. Okay, so give the workers the following instructions. The previous manager was an American. Okay, so over here we have used, before previous we have used what? We have used the. Okay, now let's see rule 6. What rule 6 says? Rule 6 says that we have to use definite article the with decades or group of years. Decades means we're talking about 10, 100, 1000, something like that. Okay, so decades, or you can say group of years. For example, she grew up in the 70s. So in the 70s. So before 70s we are using the definite article the. Okay, so let's see next example. Next example is rule 7. Rule 7 says that we have to use the definite article the before names of countries that have the words United or Republic in them or have plural names. Now this is really very important. Really very important. Now why this is really very important? Because generally students have confusion, because it is being said that with countries we don't have to use any article. With countries we don't have to use any articles. Then ma'am, in certain places we see that ma'am article is used. Ma'am, how come? How they ask, ma'am, how come this is possible, ma'am? So the correct answer for this question is this rule. You have to understand this rule really very well. Okay, so when it is true that with the before countries we don't use what, we don't use any article, okay, but we have to use the definite article the before names of countries that have the words united. If you see in any of the in any country's name united or republic, so over there you have to use what, there you have to use definite article the. Or any country which is having plural names, so over there also you have to use the. For example, the United States of America, so over here united word is used, so over here we will use the. Okay, next one is the Republic of China, republic word is used over here, so there we have to use what, the. Next example is the Philippines, s is used over here na, plural name. Netherlands, s is used over here, so over here we have to use the. Okay, I hope this rule is clear to everyone. Next rule, rule 8 says that the is used when it refers to something which has already been mentioned. Already been mentioned means that we have already talked about that particular noun in our previous sentence. For example, a fox and a stork went to lunch, right? So already we have introduced fox and stork over here, right? So in the second sentence again we are mentioning the nouns, so over here I can use the. Okay, the stork had a long beak, but the fox, because I have already mentioned fox in my first sentence, so over here I can use the. Okay, so I hope this rule is also clear to everyone, that definite article the is used to refer to something which has already been mentioned in a sentence. Now let's see rule 8. What rule 8 says? Rule 8 says that we have to use the definite article before a noun which becomes definite because both the speaker and the listener are familiar with it. For example, they are playing in the park, so over here park, we are already familiar with this term park. Okay, the both the speaker and the listener who is speaking and who is listening, they are aware of this place before, so over there we will be using what, we will be using the. Mother is in the kitchen, now obviously whosoever is speaking and whosoever is listening, so they obviously know this place kitchen before, they are familiar with this term kitchen, they are familiar with this term, so over here also we have to use which article, we have to use article the. Okay, now let's see rule 9. What rule 9 says? Rule 9 says that the is repeated in some cases and not repeated in some cases. For example, the actor and the actress have received gold medals. So over here we are talking about two different persons. First one is this actor, another one is the actress. So when we are indicating two different persons, so over there we have to repeat the article the. Okay, but if I am writing like this, the actor and model was cheered, so over here we are not talking about two different persons, we are talking about only one person, because I have used the with the actor. That means this actor and this model are the same person. It indicates the same person. Understood? So over here we have to use what, we don't have to over here repeat the article the. We have to use it only once. So the rule is very simple, that if we have to point out or if we have to indicate two different persons, so we have to use what, we have to use that twice. We have to means repeat the article, and if we have to indicate the same person, so we don't have to repeat the article, that is the. Okay, so I hope this is clear to everyone. Now only 9 rules are there in this uses of definite article, that is the. In the next video we will study about omission of the articles. Okay, till then what you have to do, keep learning, keep practicing, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel and if you really like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends also, so that they can also understand the concept behind articles. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you and all the best.